We're visiting the island down in Pigeon Forge. We've been trying to get over here for a while, every time that we've been down here, and have never been able to make it. Finally tonight, everything has worked out, so we're able to come down and visit. Now the parking down here, they have a huge parking lot on down past the island, and there's actually trams that are running like what you would see at Dollywood that will shuttle you back and forth from the parking lot to the island.
So lay my money down, lay my money down, lay my money down. I have not been in Frisco any more weeks than 3 when I met up with a pretty little girl. She fell in love with me, fell in love with me, fell in love with me. Love this gambling man, love this gambling man, love this gambling man. My daughter, oh dear daughter, how can you treat me so? Leave me dear old mother girl, with the gambler go, with the gambler go, with the gambler go. I wound up in Spain. I met up with a gambling man, and we got in a poker game. Got in a poker game, got in a poker game. Oh mother, oh dear mother, you know I've loved you well, but the love I have for the gambling man, no human tongue can tell. No human tongue can tell, no human tongue can tell. And he dealt the cards around. I saw him dealing from the bottom of the deck, so I shot the gambler down. Shot the gambler down, shot the gambler down. And now down in prison, got a number for my name. Yeah, the jailer said as he slammed the door, you gambled your last game. Son, gambled your last game, gambled your last game.
Looking at that Ferris wheel from a distance is one thing. You will not believe how tall that thing is when you're actually right up on it and looking at it. That thing is huge.
Anything you want, I can surely do. You want the moon above, behind the darkest stars, and you won't find love at the crossroads bar. I like smoky lights and a lonesome song, and I won't do right if I can do.
In the Patriot Peddler, they've got everything in there. It's all made in the U.S. They also have on the walls basically walls of honor. It is photos of service members.
You're wrong. You want the moon above, behind the darkest stars, and you won't find love at the crossroad bar. my advice. Leave your love at home with your loving wife. You're better off than you think you are, and you won't find love at the crossroad bar to the Lord.
They actually have a little bit of a light show with a fountain that they have it sync with the music, and it's a pretty interesting scene if you're down here to watch it. You can see some of the video of it, but if you ever get the chance to come down here and actually see it in person, it's incredible.
Mother died when I was young. Father drank to kill the pain. But when my father left this world, I sadly did the same. I've lived a life of trouble here, so when my time is old, I don't want to miss my chance to see the golden shore.
Guys, hope you liked the video. It's been a great afternoon at the island in Pigeon Forge. I would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for more, and check out the rest of the videos in the Smoky Mountain Vacation series. Thanks for watching.
When I close my eyes to death and sink beneath the sand, 2 coins upon my eyes to pay the very man. Trouble here, I feel a hope is gone. So when I close my eyes to death and sink beneath the sand, 2 coins upon my eyes to pay the ferryman.